A quick holy guidance or a message for each and every Mulank 1 to 9, and we'll check all. Okay, so first for Mulank number 1, I am seeing that there will be some sort of success. You have been working on something and you've not been getting results. This is the time you will now definitely get results. So be prepared for that. Mulank number 2, a lot of overthinking, a lot of stress. You think that you can sort things out on your own, whereas you really need help. You can ask a friend, you can ask for professional help. It can be in any aspect whatsoever. Mulank number 3, there are things that you have in your life, like you have the luxury, maybe you have the health, you have the tools with you, but you're just not looking at them, you're just not using the tools that you have, and you're very strong with the tools, so use those. Mulank number 4, a lot of strength is what I'm getting, which was required also for you, and some sort of a cycle is completing is what I'm getting. Yeah, a lot of strength, but don't take unnecessary risks right now. Mulank number 5, a lot of financial growth is what I'm seeing, a lot of success and fruitful outcome finally is what I'm getting for you. So congratulations. Mulank number 6, you have too many people around you. You need to identify the ones that are not good for you. You need to identify the fake people around you and get rid of them. Mulank number 7, I see a lot of travel for you, a lot of courage I see, and at the same time emotional stability. But yes, travel is definitely there in the cards for you. Mulank number 8, a lot of financial abundance. Maybe you've been working on a project. I see success in that, not just financially but also relationship wise. Things are sorting out for you. If you're single, you might come into a relationship. And Mulank number 9, there is a lot of hope for you, but you right now are looking at only and only the negatives. It's an emotional phase, but approximately in another 1 month, there's a lot of positivity around you, and that emotional phase is very soon ending.